Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And tonight we have another video for you guys. It's not so much a install video, instructional video per se, because it's really simple to do. But we wanted to share it with you so that you guys know about this product. I thought it was pretty cool. So we wanted to document our build, so we're going to go ahead and do a video on it. And basically what I picked up was a set of BRP handles, okay? And it's really well made. And I believe it's made out of that aluminum, real hard aluminum. And what it's going to help you do is, when you're trying to get in and out of this unit, you kind of like sit down in a cockpit. And before I had the roof on and stuff like that, I would just go here and help get myself up. Well, these are going to eliminate that problem. And basically it comes in a kit, and it gives you 2 longer screws for each side, and then you can just put that there. So if you want help getting in and out of the unit, or if you just want to hold on, you're the passenger, you know, and you want to hold on here and hold on up there, you can do that. Just gives you more options. So this is what we're going to be doing tonight. It shouldn't take too long, but we wanted to show it to you. So it's pretty easy. We're just going to go ahead, and it gives you 2 options if you have the mirrors or if you don't have the mirrors. We have the mirrors, so we're going to go with the countersunk ones. It's going to go in like that. If you didn't have the mirrors, you would use these bolts here. So this is what we're going to use, and let's go ahead and take these off, show you guys how they look. And like I said, I'm just going to take these screws out. And then we're just gonna replace them with these. And they should go right through. Yep, plenty of room. And then we're just going to hold that on there like that. And we got our other one out here. And these are just Allen's. And it's that simple. So now you got something to hold on to when you're getting in and out. And I really like it. So you're in here like this. You're done riding, you want to take a break. You get out, in and out, just like that. Even when you're getting in. You want to get in, like that. You're a passenger, you're holding on like that. Or if you're over there, so let's go ahead and change that one real quick. And then we can show you, you can come on this side, Mikey. We'll put the other one in. It's literally a 5-minute job. the same thing. Like that. And we're just going to tighten it up and it should be done. And there you go, guys. So you can see, if you're riding, you hold on like this, especially if you got, you jumping or something, or you just feel more safe. You can hold on right there. You can adjust your chair however you want it. And then when you want to get out, just like that, in and out. And then you can show them how it looks from the outside, Mikey. And they're not in the way. I mean, I just thought it was a cool mod to share with you guys. And you can see over here. You see that good, Mikey? So we just wanted to share this with you guys. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. They're like 60 bucks, so not too bad. Fast shipping, done within like 3 or 4 days. So no issues there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of stuff or you're new to the channel, we appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Also, please like, comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And also follow us on Instagram and check out our merch store if you want any UTV dirt stuff. So with that said, I'll see you on our next one.